guys, welcome back. Okay, so for today's entry, we are going to do another cooking video. Okay, this is not my original recipe. This is a combination of Google and YouTube. Okay, so today we are going to make Hainanese chicken rice. Alright, I lived in Macau for 5 years from 2007 to 2012, if I get that right, and Hong Kong also for another almost a year. So this dish is very close to me. It's actually one of my favorites among all the good Chinese food. Okay, so this recipe is I actually got it from a Singaporean YouTuber. So I'm just gonna put her name probably in the description of my video to give her credit. So yes, Hainanese chicken rice is actually Singapore's national dish. So I hope I'll do justice for this recipe. Okay, so for the ingredients, we need 1 whole chicken. Can you see it? So it's not very big now, it's a small chicken because we're only 3, and if I get a big one, you might not finish it. Alright. And then we need 2 cups of rice. There you go. Can you see it? And onion leeks, ginger, 1 whole garlic, rock salt, 2 Knorr chicken cubes, of course to season, and for the sauces later I'm gonna use Himalayan pink salt, sugar, sambal, sesame oil, we need dark soy sauce, so I'm using Kikoman, sorry, light soy sauce, I'm a fan of Marque Piña. We need also rice vinegar. Okay. Okay, so that's my washing machine again. If you've seen my last video, lagi siyang may entry. Okay. And oyster sauce. We also need sriracha. And we need peanut oil, but I wasn't able to buy one. Kaya today I'm going to use extra virgin olive oil. Alright? Okay, we need water, of course, to boil our chicken. Okay, so let's start cooking. Okay, so first we are going to salt the chicken. Consider this step as exfoliating your chicken or cleaning it. So rub it down with a lot of salt. Okay, and then after this, we are going to wash it and then dry it. Okay, so now that our chicken is rinsed and dry and all the ingredients are ready, so we grated the ginger, the garlic, and then we have some sliced ginger here, and then we have our leeks, and then we have this also for garnishing later, spring onions. Okay, so this we have to take out the fats. we have to put it aside for later. This will play a very big part in our rice. Okay, so yung mga excess fats, tanggalin natin. There you go. I'm not a chef, so please bear with me. Ayan, tabi natin yan. Gagamitin natin yan mamaya. There you go. Wala na ba? Yan. Tapos, we are going to season it with salt again. Okay, our chicken. Okay, yan. Don't forget to put salt inside. Okay, and then now we put our sliced ginger. There you go. And our onion leeks. Alright. Wala akong toothpick, guys, so gaganyanin na lang natin, okay? Alright, so ready na yung chicken. Ilalagay natin siya sa casserole. Yan. Tapos, we put 1 gallon of water. And we are going to simmer this for 30 minutes. See you later. So while we're waiting for our chicken to simmer for 30 minutes, we're going to make the sauce. Okay, so for the first one, we need 2 tablespoons of sambal. 1, 2 tablespoons of sriracha. 2 teaspoons of sugar. I prefer to use brown sugar. 1 tablespoon of garlic. That's about it. 1 tablespoon of ginger. That's about it. 1 tablespoon of lime juice. I don't have lime, so I'm just gonna use lemon juice. Okay, so there. There you go. We're still waiting for our chicken broth, but we are going to add 2 tablespoons of chicken broth here, and then a pinch of salt. Okay, so let's come back to this later to add the chicken broth. Okay, next one. For our next sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of ginger. There you go. 2 tablespoons garlic. There you go. Pinch of salt. 3 tablespoons peanut oil, but we don't have, so we're going to use extra virgin olive oil. Okay, there you go. Rice vinegar, 1 tablespoon. Oops, there. Okay, so that's for our sauce number 2. For our sauce number 3, chicken is boiling na. Don't forget to put your chicken cubes, guys. 1, 2. Okay, so the chicken is now ready. It's simmered for 30 minutes. Okay, don't skip this part, guys. It's very important. Pagkatapos nyo mag-simmer ng 30 minutes, it's very important for you to ice cut the chicken. Sana makuha ko siya. There you go. Ayan. This will stop the cooking. Tapos, it's very important kasi na yung skin niya hindi ma-overcook. So, it's soft and tender. Ayan. Okay? Ayan. Just let it sit there for a few minutes. Okay, so for our rice, we need 1/4 cup of sesame oil. Ay, shit, 1/2 also. Ayan. That's about it. Put it there. There you go. Ang bango. And then, your chicken na tinabi natin kanina. So, anyway, it's gonna play a very important part. Okay, you put that. You put 2 tablespoons of ginger. basically, yung natira. Ginger and garlic, sorry, 2 tablespoons each. Ayan. Tapos please, potatoes until it caramelizes. Okay. Tapos we need 1/4 of this sautéed garlic and ginger, okay? So, ayan, kinukuha na ako. Talagyan natin siya dito. So, finish natin ito mamaya yung sauce, okay? Now, that this is already caramelized, we are going to put our rice, our raw rice. Ayan. So, that's 2 cups. We're using jasmine. Tapos, sasautay lang natin siya for a few minutes. Don't forget to season it with salt. Ayan. After we saute that, we are going to put it in the rice cooker. Scrape it all. You don't want the flavor. You want all the flavors in your rice. That's gonna play a big part later sa pagkain. Okay. There. And then we put 2 cups of our chicken broth. 1. Ako, gusto ko medyo basa yung kanin namin. So, I'm gonna put more. Tama na ba yun, nak? That's enough. Alright! There you go. And then let the rice cooker do its job. So now that our chicken broth is ready, remember our first sauce, we have to add 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Let's add more. Kasi we love it. Okay, so that's your sambal, sriracha sauce number 1. Tapos for the third one, remember we took some sautéed garlic and ginger. And then we are going to put 1 tablespoon oyster sauce. There. One tablespoon light soy sauce. There. 3 tablespoon dark soy sauce. Yes, it's Kikoman. 2, 3. And then, ano pa yung teaspoon? 2 tablespoon chicken broth. There you go. Dumikit na siya. Ito dumikit. Ayan. Okay. So, ready na yung ating mga sauces. There. Okay. Yum! Can't wait to eat. Okay. So, we have our 3 sauces. Now, from the ice bath, don't forget to dry your chicken. So, after that, this is the last step. We are going to put 2 tablespoons of sesame oil. The entire chicken. Yan. Yan. Yum. There you go. With sesame oil, it really brings you back to China or Hong Kong, that flavor. There, now we are just waiting for our rice. Yummers! Yum, 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 yum. Okay, so our rice is now ready. Ito na lang actually hinihintay natin. So it's, you see guys, it's very easy to make. So don't be, what do you call it? Huwag kayong matakot. Naglutuin ito kasi madali lang siya. Okay. So, bon appetit. Let's eat, baby. Thank you so much for watching for today's video. Hope you subscribe and like my channel. Bye! Till the next one! Happy eating!